Forest life dance rustles in sylvan breeze, awakening the glade in arboreal teas. Oh, forest life dance in eternal assurances green, melodies curl as sylvan sea, soft voices falling like deciduous drift, tight entanglement gift, life's thriving stream through rhizomes, mycorrhizal tide, nurturing the soul in nature's sky. Forest life dance canopy in solar sea, marvelous avifauna in dapple light, rivers of emerald, my code is silent thread, echoes of symphony from the woodland's head. Oh, forest life dance in eternal assurances green, melodies choral as sylvan scene, soft voices falling like deciduous drift, entangling endowment gift, life's thriving stream through rhizomes, mycorrhizal tide, nurturing the soul in nature's sky. In the cradle of earth where silvicultural secrets unfold, love and reverence, proliferations bold, guard the seas, let the verdancy endure, in unity stands pure, energy circulates, fog of mist renewed, guiding our steps to harmony's blue. Forest life dance calls from